Right now, if you go to your favorite content creator social media platform, and if you just watch their last of the videos that they have uploaded few years back, and you will see the kind of quality, the kind of content they have. Okay, but now they have reached at this place. Now they are having multiple stream of income and also generating clients, leads for their businesses, right? So why this happen? Why? What is the purpose of content? How you should be making the content in such a way that leads come to you, that people actually wants to join your community and be in touch with you. So in this video I will tell you about what is the whole purpose of creating the content, how you should structure your content, how you should plan your content, when to post, and how to, like, how to frame everything for your business, for your niche and all. Okay, so I will be taking the fundamental step, and this is something that you will get to know from every social media manager, marketer out there who is doing organically. Okay, now let's first of understand, for every platform there's a different marketing strategy. Okay, since platform is different, you cannot deploy same process for same for all the social media platforms. Okay, because YouTube works in a different manner, Instagram works in a different manner, LinkedIn works in a different manner, Facebook works in a different manner because of their algorithm and the kind of placements options are available in it. Okay, and you cannot and you do not want to mess with the platform algo, otherwise you won't be getting any reach. Okay, now just imagine, if you want to get heard through thousands of people, millions of people. Earlier people used to do concerts, seminars, okay, offline seminars in a very big hall. Then they invite all of those people, and then people come, and then they listen to it, and then they make up their mind that whether are interested in it or not. I have myself attended those kind of seminars. So the kind of energy, investment, money requires a lot, okay, to make that successful. And nowadays you have the social media at your place, and you are someone who is thinking that I should be creating the first video when I have this proper mic, when I will have a proper YouTube studio setup and whatnot, when I will have Samsung Galaxy 25 Ultra Pro, when I will have iPhone Pro Max, the latest version, 1 TB version, and then you are just waiting it. And people are here started with the small content creation journey, and then they now have reached the place, especially in terms of their business and not just dancing reels, entertainment reels. Because even though if people are, if content creators are creating the comedy sketches also, they are also earning very well. And if and when you are doing something very valuable, why don't you are getting clients? What is exactly is holding you back in creating the content? Okay, so first of all, understand about the strategy of Instagram, how Instagram works. So in Instagram, if you want to stand out as a coach, online coach, who wants to get heard, who wants to build a community of followers, the real followers, those who are love your content and want to be work with you, because not everyone is going to be your client. Okay, for example, if you have 1,000 followers, then only 20% of the people can become your clients, and rest 80% of the people will be count as your followers for the engagement, because they have not nurtured themselves enough to become a customer, maybe, or maybe they do not resonate with you. Not everyone is going to resonate with you. So for building the Instagram, the thing that is working for coaches are reels and carousels basically. These two, these and along with stories. So these three things basically are needed for growing your followers and community. And so by carousel and reels, you are creating the content that is coming in front of the people, so that they are understanding that you are someone who can help in these areas of thing. For example, let's just take an example of a career coach. Okay, let's just take an example of a career coach. Now if a career coach wants to start the content, then how they should be planning it? So content, so before you start creating the content, you should be understanding your content pillars. Okay, so when I say content pillars are basically is going to help you dissect your content strategy. For example, if you're a career coach, so on what angles I should be talking on the areas. For example, your content pillars could be your personal story, your lifestyle questions, and interviews, salary hikes, promotion, appraisals. Okay. And then you can also talk about people or on a leadership. If you are a leadership career coach, okay, so you should be understanding that you should only have 5 to 6 content pillars at your hand, and those content pillars will have sub topics and subtopics basically. Because for example, interviews has what are the diversification of your interview process. Okay, so interview needs CV, resume. Okay, how to get interview calls. Okay, so on in these are subtopics of that thing. In your personal story, you can talk about your journey, you can talk about your struggles, you can talk about your day schedule also. Okay, all of these things will help you to build the authority. Now your content pillars will be categorized into three major sub three, maybe you can say three types. Okay, three types basically. So first is educational, inspirational, and promotional. Okay, so let me just give you an example. Educational content will make you sound knowledgeable, make you sound intelligent, and people are going to aware about few things from your content. In educational content, you can create carousels create, and they can also create reels. Okay, now in educational content you can talk about common mistakes, myth and conception, useful tips and tricks. Okay, so for example, you can say the top two mistakes job professionals make while building resume. This the myth and conception is like three myth and conception about recruitment, three myth and conception about work life balance. Okay, useful tricks and tricks, you can talk about like 5 tips for getting your CV selected fast. Okay, so this is something that you need to talk about in respective to educational content. Now comes to the inspirational part. Inspirational content are those kind of topics in which people feel inspired from your journey. Okay, so you can have inspirational stories, quotes, you can have personal experiences, you can have content that shift belief. For example, you should be sharing your story of maybe your struggle when you're struggling something, when you have one type of belief and then why it changed, then you have shifted to another type of belief. Okay, so you can talk about the success story of success, overcoming adversity. You can talk about my journey to become a career coach, how changing your mindset can transform your life. So all these topics come from your inspirational kind of thing. Now, since we are not creating the content just for views and followers, we are creating content for getting sales, getting clients, getting leads. Okay, for our different courses, mentorship, and different level of programs. So sales related comes on a like promotional content pillar. So this is like you are talking about things that is like handling sales objections, handling like sharing client success stories, case studies, direct promotion of your services. Okay, and if you see whoever the coach is doing very great, you will see all of these glimpses in their content. Okay, whether they post in form of a carousel or reel or maybe stories, because these three things only works best in the content strategy. Otherwise nothing is pushed by algo in like algorithm of Instagram. Okay, now if you want to like post the sales related, the promotional related thing, because you also want to sell something. Okay, you want people to take action, trust in you, and then see whether they are your right audience or not. Okay, otherwise you will be just creating the content without any goal. Your goal should be sales. For example, you can talk about why invest in career coach. Okay, you can talk about this. Actually, if you want to talk about what are they are going to help with a career coach, how their journey of struggles going to be reduced while working with a career coach. Okay, now you can talk about client testimonials and their result, how your coaching has benefited them from a one type of condition or maybe situation to another type of situation that they really wanted in their life. Now you can also promote your upcoming workshop, webinar, masterclass through stories or through your content through reels. Okay, I've seen people those who have created the content and maybe they are at a good stage, have created at least 500 of post, 500 of post, those who started from their journey of introvertness. Okay, and there is no option that you can that people can trust you without creating the content. Just take an example of Ankur Wariku. He had just started 4 years back, okay, with himself. Maybe he has a team of editors, and which you can also have it. Okay, you can record the videos and editor can edit it for a while, edit it, and then you can post it. Because if you have that kind of punch in your videos, that kind of hook in your videos, that is exactly going to hold the attention of your audience. Okay, so with these type of content you should be posting about. I will just tell you more subtopics that can actually help you. So you can talk about like personal story, personal philosophy, result, case study, quick wins, lifestyle, questions asked. You can do polls on stories, invite, ask questions, give your lead magnet for free or for paid, informational content, myth busting content about. You can also create reels about the recent trending things that are going in the market. For example, if something is happening in the news and you want to, and that news is popping everywhere, then take that some context of that thing and then create the content. It will actually help you gain followers, likes, comment, and the kind of engagement you want on your account. And more people will be connected to you because you are talking about the trending things. People on social media are not there to just like consume the informational content or the educational content. They also want entertainment. Okay, they want to feel related through your content. Otherwise they will unfollow you, and you won't be even getting to know about it. Okay, the subtopics can be, you can have questions, polls, pro tips. That is exactly the valuable post. You can have your personal branding if you have achieved something. You can talk about obstacle, entrepreneurship, your entrepreneurship journey, lead magnet. If you're launching something, then you can schedule a content. You can then prepare a content of 7 days if you are launching something. Okay, and you can also share memes, testimonial, latest trends. So it's all a amalgamation of everything. You cannot just say like you will only do one thing and leave the other thing. You have to become that person for a content creator. Okay, then you will be able to survive in this. Because जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. Okay, you cannot just think that you are so good and people will always come to you. The time has changed, the competition has changed. Okay, there are many similar coaches in your niche are available at different prices, and if you do not resonate with your audience, then how like people are not going to resonate with you. So with this I rest my voice. Thank you so much.